The whole shot routine, it starts like this. Get information, number one. How's my lie? How far is it? Where's the flag? Where's the wind? Next one, you gotta use that information and make a decision. Sounds simple, not that simple actually. What does that look like is I'm gonna use a 7-iron, I'm gonna make this swing, I'm gonna start it there, and it's gonna finish in that spot. So very specific decision on what you're gonna do. Okay, be crystal clear about it. If you're in two minds about it, no good. Then next phase is, how do I rehearse? It can be a picture, feel. I suggest you make a practice when you literally feel exactly the move you want to make. That's the language of your body. You know, our mind says, do this to our body, and our body doesn't always understand, it seems like. You need to speak the language your body can sort of understand and process. And if you create a move, it's like you can sense, okay, this is what I need to do. You have a better chance of repeating that move. Gotta rehearse, then you gotta get set up, execute the shot, and then comes the observe what happened.